What is the weather tonight in Houston?
Tonight in Houston, the forecast is for a high of 38 and a low of 30 with snow.
How exciting is that? So back in 2021, we had this big, awful winter storm that came through Houston, froze everything. We didn't have power for hours, sometimes days, for some people weeks. I was lucky and it was only for hours at a time. I'll link the video down below if you want to watch it, if you're curious to see what that was like. We're getting snow. And I don't mean like, oh, like a couple inches. Like, they're talking like,
y'all better get ready.
because you're going to be sledding by tomorrow afternoon. They're saying some places are going to get up to 7 inches. And guess where one of those places are? Right here. Right here. I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone to get up to 6 or 7 inches of snow in one day. Huh? Where? I don't see anything. I think I was even standing right here whenever I was recording myself, seeing my breath in my apartment inside. I was like, insert clip. The last winter storm that came through here, I had a few friends over, but this time it's just me, myself, and I. And my 2 cats, of course. They're here with me. We're toughing it out like we did last time. It's their second winter storm ever. And second with me, of course, because I'm their mom. I am their mother. It's just hard to believe that this is all gonna be covered in snow tonight. I just can't picture it. There's gonna be snow right here? Nah. No. You're lying. So now that I'm vlogging again, I thought I would update you a little bit on my life. Nothing too detailed. I'm single. I don't hang out with some of the people that I was very close to. Still have my cats. I think in the meantime, I'm going to finish doing some laundry. I need to eat something, maybe put on a movie. Who knows? I'm feeling good about this. The satisfaction of a puzzle piece fitting. It's like, I'm like fully invested in this dang puzzle. I'm like, you know, whenever you like start to kind of get little groups of pieces together and now you're like, I need more. And of course I'll start filming when it snows outside because like that's the main character in this story. Okay? We're not letting her down. Elsa, where are you? Come here, queen. We have some filming to do. I'm recording from the inside because I do not want to go out there. And it just looks really cold out there, but oh goodness. It's 6 in the morning and I can see grass. Where is Antarctica? I see a lot of ice, but I don't see snowman material. I don't see snowman. I don't. In China. Ew. It looks so cold outside.
12 seconds later.
It's snowing. Wait, it's like really snowing. I love it. I genuinely was like, it's not gonna snow. I really thought. I was like, there's no way. Like, I really felt it, that it wasn't gonna snow. I'm laughing at myself because I was too excited to tie up my snow boots. Look. Okay, cutesy. Cutesy. I was like, I don't have time for this. Why are my shoes on? Oh, I just choked on some snow. What? This is so fun. This is so fun. This does not feel real. I feel like I'm in a dream right now. Oh my goodness. This is insane. What? I don't think I've seen snow like this in Houston. Oh my God. This is crazy. I take back everything I said. I really thought it wasn't gonna snow. I really was like, no, there's no way. What is this? Oh my God. This is like a real snowball. Should I eat it? Should I eat it? Should I? What's it really called? What's it really called? So good. Oh my God. This is crazy. I'm taking it all in. This is crazy. I feel like a little kid right now. Oh my God. This is so fun. This is so fun. This is so fun. I'm so happy. I don't even care. Take me. Take me. Take me with you. It is about 8:57 right now. Still coming down pretty good. Yeah, I never thought I would see it look like this. This is crazy. Yeah, this is just the patio. I had to come inside and take a break because although it is beautiful and exciting and fun, I was getting cold. I mean, like, I guess I get it because, like, I mean, she's really coming down out there. This sounds crazy because it absolutely is, but apparently Houston is under a very minor blizzard warning. But I almost believe it because it's kind of, we're out here and, you know, the elements are elementing and I don't know, maybe you make me kind of nervous right now. Even walking down these stairs is like insane to me. You're in a tree right now. A tree is holding up my phone. I'm gonna remember this forever. I'm gonna be an old lady. I'm gonna remember this. This guy can't drive. He's gonna remember this forever too. Good luck, buddy. Oh God, this is so cool. Yeah, cold. Really, it's so cold. This is Texas. Am I tripping? Y'all are seeing what I'm seeing, right? Okay, because I'm an old lady, I had to take a nap. I was exhausted running around and playing in the snow, but it's starting to melt a little bit. We still have some, so that's good. I still can't believe it snowed as much as it did. Like, what? I just can't believe this. It's so pretty. I can't get over this. Honestly miss that crunch under my boots. It's a nice little crunch. It's kind of funny seeing people driving around because I'm like, you can't even drive in the sun. How are you driving in the snow? Oh. Even with the sun out, basically melting it, it's still so pretty. And it's kind of bittersweet because it's like, it's gonna melt. It's not gonna come back for 125 years. Should I drive? Should I drive? Should I be crazy? Should I crash out? Should I drive? Should I drive? Answer the question. Oh no. It's already starting to freeze. Ugh. Ignore how I look. I've given up on being cute, but look at this. My gosh, that is so cute. That's a big, I'm like eye level with this guy, and I'm 5'6", so that's big. I'm just walking around, taking in the last few hours of the snow before it fully melts. It's sad. It's like a bittersweet feeling because it was so fun and cute and great. Oh, this guy just fish chilled. Look, if you can't drive, just don't do it. It's gonna be okay. We'll get through this together. Anyway, yeah, I'm just kind of walking around and feeling all the feelings with my little Gatorade. I walked to the gas station. I wanted to drive. I was like, I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna do it. And then I was like, other people can't drive though. Is that a good idea? And everything's starting to get icy and crunchy and real. It's just so pretty outside. I don't want it to go away yet. Cause like, I don't know when's the next time we're gonna get snow like this. 125 years. I'm so cold that I do not want to go back inside because this is just way better than sitting on the couch. You can't put me back in the house. You can't put me back in the house. My nose is freezing. My nose. My nose is freezing. Here's the car. Completely untouched. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That's crazy. It's just crazy how much there is. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. I wonder what it looks like inside. This is crazy. I've never seen my car covered in snow. You can see where I wrote 2025. When it first started, I was like, this is the year of snow. And then it got covered by 10 more inches, but this is so sick. Here's my farewell to the snow. It's melting, and there is going to be a hard freeze tonight. It was fun while it lasted. Aww.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
missing someone.